The action camera industry rarely slows down, but every so often a rumored product appears that shifts the tone of the entire conversation. Instead of being treated as just another yearly refresh, it starts to feel like a possible turning point. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is currently sitting in that exact position. Even without an official announcement, it has already become one of the most discussed upcoming devices in the creator world, not because of confirmed specifications, but because of what it could represent for the next generation of compact filmmaking tools. What makes the situation interesting is the way expectations have formed around it. Normally, action camera upgrades are predictable: slightly better stabilization, small improvements in sharpness, and refined software features. But the talk surrounding the Ace Pro 3 feels different. There is a growing sense that this model might not follow the usual incremental path. Instead, it is being imagined as a more ambitious leap, one that focuses heavily on image quality, intelligent processing, and real-world usability. A large part of this excitement comes from early leaks and community speculation. While none of the details are officially confirmed, multiple discussions point in similar directions, which is often where genuine product trends begin to surface. One of the most repeated rumors involves a significant sensor upgrade, potentially a 1-inch type sensor paired with a resolution near 50 megapixels. If true, this would be a major development for the action camera segment. The reason this matters is simple: sensor size directly affects how a camera performs in almost every real-world scenario. Action cameras are traditionally built around compact sensors, which help keep devices small and rugged but limit light capture. A larger sensor would immediately improve low light performance, reduce visible noise, and enhance dynamic range. This means footage recorded in difficult conditions such as indoor environments, night scenes, or shaded outdoor areas could look far more detailed and balanced. Beyond still image quality, the impact on video performance could be even more noticeable. One of the most widely discussed possibilities is support for 8K recording at 30 frames per second, combined with HDR and log recording profiles. This combination suggests that the camera is not just targeting casual users but also creators who want full control over color grading and post-production workflows. There is also speculation around 4K recording at 120 frames per second with 10-bit color depth. This type of capability would allow for smooth slow-motion footage while preserving color accuracy and flexibility during editing. For creators working in fast-paced environments such as sports, travel vlogs, or cinematic action sequences, this would provide significantly more creative freedom than previous generations. Another major point of discussion is the rumored introduction of a multi-layer AI system. Instead of simple automation features, this system is expected to operate across several aspects of the camera simultaneously. That could include intelligent stabilization, real-time scene detection, noise reduction, and adaptive exposure control, all working together in real time. If this kind of system is implemented effectively, it could change the way users interact with action cameras. Rather than constantly adjusting settings for different environments, the camera would actively analyze and optimize footage automatically. This would reduce the technical barrier for creators and allow them to focus more on framing, timing, and storytelling. Battery performance is also part of the growing speculation. Action cameras often struggle with endurance, especially when recording at higher resolutions or frame rates. Reports suggest that the Ace Pro 3 could introduce improved battery efficiency, particularly in standard shooting modes. While extreme recording settings will always consume power quickly, even moderate improvements in runtime could make a meaningful difference for long shooting sessions. Pricing is another factor shaping expectations. The Ace Pro 3 is expected to move into a more premium category compared to earlier models. This suggests a shift in positioning, where the camera is no longer seen purely as a consumer-friendly device but more as a serious creative tool. With that shift comes increased expectations around performance, reliability, and overall production value. A higher price point also changes how users evaluate the product. Instead of accepting small improvements, they expect clear and noticeable upgrades in real-world usage. That includes better image clarity, more consistent stabilization, improved workflow efficiency, and a more refined overall shooting experience. One of the most important areas where users hope to see improvement is low-light performance. Action cameras have historically struggled in darker environments, often producing grainy or soft footage. If the rumored sensor upgrade delivers cleaner results in these conditions, it could significantly expand how and where the camera is used. Nighttime shooting, indoor recording, and low-light travel content would all benefit directly. Stabilization is another critical factor in this category. Action cameras are designed for movement, but that movement is often unpredictable. While existing stabilization systems are already strong, they can still struggle in high vibration or complex motion scenarios. The idea of AI-assisted stabilization suggests a more adaptive system that can better understand movement patterns and reduce distortion more effectively. Color science also plays an important role in the overall perception of image quality. While Insta360 cameras are known for detail and flexibility, some users feel that color output sometimes requires adjustment in post-production. Improvements in this area, especially through more natural in-camera rendering or better color profiles, could make footage more immediately usable without heavy editing. Audio performance is becoming increasingly important as well. With more creators using action cameras for vlogging and real-time content creation, clear sound capture is no longer optional. Better wind noise reduction, improved directional audio, and cleaner overall sound recording would help position the Ace Pro 3 as a more complete content creation device. As anticipation continues to build, one thing is clear: the Ace Pro 3 is no longer just a rumored product. It has become a symbol of what users hope the next generation of action cameras will achieve.